In this video, I will show you how to find the values for the least squares regression line for two variable statistics in your TI-36X Pro scientific calculator. I already have values entered into my calculator, so to begin, I'm going to press the second button and then quit. This will save and store all of your numbers into your calculator. To begin my calculations, I'm going to press the second button and then Stat Reg. A list of options comes up on the screen, and I'm going to choose number 3, two variable stats. On this screen, I'm now going to pick the lists that I'm going to use in my calculations. All of my X data is in list 1, so I'm going to keep that highlighted. But if you have your X data in another list, you can use your over arrows to just pick a different list. Same for my Y data. All of my Y data is in list 2, so I'm going to leave that highlighted. But if your Y data is in a different list, you can then pick a different list. If you're using a frequency list, you can designate what list your frequency data is in. But if you don't have a frequency list, you can leave it highlighted for 1. I'm now going to come down and highlight Calc and then hit Enter. A list of variables now shows up, but I'm going to notice that there's a down arrow and use that to look for the values for my regression line. And as I come down to the bottom of the list, I notice the values for my slope and y-intercept. A is the value for the slope in your regression line, and B is the value for your y-intercept. So you can take these values and round them and then plug them into their respective places in your least squares regression line. So this is how to find the values for your least squares regression line in your scientific calculator.